Hi guys, welcome back to Grange Vlogs. So this morning I fancy some fried dumplings, but as usual I'm not going to be doing no normal fried dumpling. I'm going to be doing some carrot fried dumpling. I tried it before and I didn't even know that I was even eating carrot fried dumpling. It was so good, so I decided that I was going to make some. So for my recipe this morning I'm going to be using some grated carrots. I've got 3 carrots here. I'm gonna grate them. I'm gonna grate them on the smallest side of the grater, this side, and then I'm gonna be using some self-raising flour, or if you've got just normal plain flour, you can add baking powder to it, and some Himalayan salt or whatever salt you've got in your cupboard, and that's it. That's all the ingredients that you need. So I'm going to grate my carrots, and then I've got my measuring cup just for measuring purposes. If you decide to try this recipe, you can know how much the measurement so that you can follow. Alright, I'm just going to grate my carrots. Okay, so I finished grating my 3 carrots. I'm going to cut off my finger. I didn't want to blend them. Little workout is so good for you. I didn't want to add any water to it. I just wanted the natural carrot with the juices. So this is what it looks like. So messy. I'm gonna measure out 3 cups of flour for now. So that's 1. 2. 3 cups of flour, and that's self-raising flour. Then I'm gonna add to that my carrots. So I got my 3 cups of flour here, and let's see, I'm gonna add, it's not a lot of carrots. That's 1 big cup. I've got 1.5 cups out of the 3 carrots. 1.5 cups of carrots. And to that I'm gonna add some salt. That's 2 teaspoons of salt. And I'm not gonna add any spices or anything because I want to taste the natural carrots in my carrot dumpling. That's the whole point. And I've got my flour, extra flour, just in case I need to add a bit more flour to it. And I've got my water. I'm just going to add a bit of water to bring it together. And fried dumpling is a staple in any Jamaican breakfast. Growing up, fried dumpling was always on the menu. Either have fried dumpling in the morning or porridge for breakfast. And some people have it with saltfish. Some people have it with sausage. Whatever you have in your yard at that time. Doesn't have to be anything special. and it's so orange. I'm gonna add a bit more flour. Just to clean the flour off my hands and bring it together. And my oil is being preheated. I'm just using normal vegetable oil. And I'm gonna have this with some, I've got some cabbage that I cooked, some steamed cabbage, and I'll have some jerk chicken as well, some jerk chicken breast. So whatever I fancy, or I can have both, why not, with my fried dumpling. I'm not a big fan of making dumpling. My husband normally makes the dumplings. He's very good at making fried dumpling. They come out soft and nice. Sometimes mine are a bit dodgy. But he's taught me over the years. And this is what your carrot dough look like. And a little sticky. I don't want it to stick to my hands too much. You don't want it too dry either, because you don't want the dumpling to be too tough. So all you need is your flour, carrots, salt, and some water. And that's it. And that's your dough right there. Look nice and orange. Turn up the fire now. Ready to fry. And you can make them into long shapes. You can make them into little round ball. Nothing fancy. And once you put them in the oil and they start float, you flip them over. They're good to go because it's self-raising flour. It doesn't take long to fry. You don't want your oil too hot. You want it like medium because you don't want them to fry too quick. And inside don't cook and outside is overcooked. Alright? So that's how I'm going to shape mine. Okay. Okay, this is the last batch. They look lovely. And they taste lovely too. And my son loves them. He's been munching on them. And that's it. Okay, so here are my fried dumplings. Have you ever tried carrot fried dumplings or boiled dumpling, whatever dumpling with carrots in there? How do you like them? One. They look good? Yes. Nice and soft. Lovely. What's the matter? As always, thank you so much for watching. Take care of yourself and each other. And blessings to you and the family. Catch you in the next video. Bye bye. God bless.